2159 Running River. I'm not sure if that area up there at the top looks good or not. Landscape cleanup, of course. We have tons of rock here. This tree's gonna shed a lot, as you can see. We have a satellite dish. Maybe power wash the driveway. A little bit of damage here. Not sure how difficult that is. We have some dents in the door at the bottom. It would be nice to repaint it. So we have this flooring over here on the left. We have the correct 2.5-inch foldable blinds that actually look new. The wall looks a little more yellow than what we typically do, but it's pretty close. It's very, very close. The baseboards don't look to be in the best condition. The light fixtures are not super dated. And then we have the older style tile throughout the kitchen. I'm not sure about this light being right here, right in front of the slider. These cabinets have been painted. They may need to be painted again. The blinds look good in this room. Dishwasher looks good. The fridge looks a little funny and it's black. We might want to remove that. It gives it a dated feel. Okay, this is interesting. The laundry room's in the kitchen. I don't know if I've seen that. But at least it's not going to leak through to the first floor. So we have a little bit of a concrete patio here and a patio overhang. Really need to get outside. Oh, it was already open. Okay. So the tile continues in through this room where we have a brown faux wood blind. This has a very dirty feel to it. I don't know if it can be cleaned up. The baseboards don't look so good in this property. And this tile doesn't match this flooring. That's broken. That needs to be replaced. That's a very simple, easy thing to do. Not the best tile job in here. I think changing out the counters would make a big difference. This door's open too. So the grout's all discolored. Normally we don't like cleaning grout, but we may have to. Those blinds look okay from here. You need to replace that drain ring. Maybe recaulk in the shower. It looks pretty dirty. I don't like the look of those cabinets. I think the property manager is going to have to decide. These blinds look okay, they just look a little dirty. It's great that we have tile in this bathroom. That drain ring needs to go. Looks like there was a leak back there. We see that a lot. We just want to ask about it and make sure it's okay now. So we need a blind on this window. We have closet door guides and a closet rod. I can see some bad patchwork done here. Need a blind on that window, remove cables throughout the property. Looks good.